Here's your new DIY challenge. Take 2 straws and a balloon, put them together as shown, then fix it with a tape. Take a clean bottle and attach 2 halves of a straw to it. Insert wooden sticks into them. Make 4 wheels out of cardboard and insert it into the wooden sticks with the help of some pieces of paper, just to ensure that the wheels do not fall off. The bottle now moves smoothly, but is there a way we can make it move in a really different and a creative manner? Remember the straws you fixed to the balloon in the start? Time to attach them now. Blow the balloon and watch it go. Read the caption to see what your child will learn